Here's a recipe for keto-friendly lemon bars that are low in carbs and high in flavor. Keto-friendly lemon bars. Ingredients: for the crust, 1 cup almond flour, a quarter cup coconut flour, a quarter cup powdered erythritol or stevia, or any other keto-friendly sweetener of your choice, 1/4 teaspoon salt, a quarter cup unsalted butter, melted, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the lemon filling, for large eggs, 3/4 cup powdered erythritol or stevia, zest of 2 lemons, half a cup fresh lemon juice, approximately 2 to 3 lemons, a quarter cup coconut flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Grease or line an 8 by 8 inch baking dish with parchment paper, leaving some excess hanging over the edges for easy removal. In a medium-sized bowl, combine almond flour, coconut flour, powdered sweetener, and salt for the crust. Mix well, add the melted butter and vanilla extract to the dry ingredients for the crust. Stir until the mixture resembles a crumbly dough. Press the crust mixture evenly into the bottom of the prepared baking dish. Bake the crust in the preheated oven for about 10 to 12 minutes or until it turns golden brown. Remove from the oven and let it cool slightly. While the crust is cooling, prepare the lemon filling. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, powdered sweetener, lemon zest, and lemon juice until well combined. In another small bowl, whisk together the coconut flour and baking powder for the filling. Add this dry mixture to the wet mixture and whisk until smooth. Pour the lemon filling over the slightly cooled crust in the baking dish. Bake the lemon bars in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the filling is set and no longer jiggles in the center. Remove the lemon bars from the oven and allow them to cool completely in the baking dish. Once cooled, refrigerate the lemon bars for at least 1 to 2 hours to firm up the filling. When ready to serve, use the excess parchment paper to lift the lemon bars out of the baking dish. Cut into squares or bars. Optionally, dust the tops with a little powdered erythritol or stevia before serving. Enjoy your delicious keto-friendly lemon bars. Keep any leftovers refrigerated for best texture and freshness.